Neville Dodd, the exchange rate? About
Well,
mid-60s?
it's coming down, isn't it? Down to 64.6 this morning, I think, heading in the right direction. Just a bit too late, perhaps, because we've got commodity prices, or particularly agricultural commodity prices, starting to shift down as well, which is unfortunate. It's been nice to have the rate go down and the prices stay up.
It has been down before and it's slipped back up again. What's the industry saying?
I think the industry is definitely recognising that it's going down and has probably got a bit further to go yet. In fact, there are some pundits who would argue that it's going to go very low before it bounces back to a more respectable level. I'm a bit inclined to think there's some merit in that argument. But what we're really seeing here, Rob, is once again that what's happening with the New Zealand dollar has very little to do with New Zealand and a great deal to do with the rest of the world. And the fact is that the current movement downwards is driven more by increases in interest rates in other countries, closing the gap to the New Zealand rate, than it is anything to do with the inherent value of the New Zealand economy.
Is there a trend, the world industry, for example, is heading towards it, but they're basing a lot of their situation on the euro now rather than the American dollar?
There is a trend in that way. I think for most exporters, wool, primary produce, but also manufacturing exporters are starting to look at that as an alternative.
Because that would make us more comfortable, I would have thought.
Well, the New Zealand currency is still traded on the international currency markets. It's a market.